Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and we're opening our Boxy charm before we go to work. I've got like 2.5 seconds, not really, but I don't have a lot of time before I have to go. So this is our premium box. We have LYS Beauty, No Limits, Matte Bronzer, Powder Bronzer Matte. That's what it says, and I'm ripping it open already. It's unique design, which is kind of cool. I feel like I just got my last Boxy charm, so it's getting lighter, which is kind of nice because I've lost all of my tan that I literally had like 2 weeks ago. It's probably like 3 months now, but feels like 2 weeks ago. Antioxidant Energizing Essence Harley London 111 Skin. I don't know. Oh, I have no idea. We have Wet and Dry Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. Wow, this is a big old. So it says night and day. Nice 3D packaging there. So, you know. Gotcha. Okay, well. We got a Tarte Maneater Lip Plumping Gloss in buff, which means nude. We got Benefit Georgia Peach. That looks pretty. I cannot kiss Nathan with this because he thinks that lip plumping gloss is spicy. So, and then we got Secrets in Snow Soft Styling Foam Mousse Supple Stylant. Guess it's for hair. Yep. Dispense into palm and distribute evenly throughout damp hair. Scrunch standard beachy waves. Blow dry for volume. Perfect for my curly hair. All right. The Benefit Cosmetics blush was $30. The 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence was $100. The Vior Hair Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam was $22. The LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer was $18. The Tarte Maneater Lip Plumping Gloss was $19. The Base Blue Cosmetics Dry Wet Skin Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes were $21. Okay, well, I like that there's a mixture of makeup and there's something for my hair and this skin thing, which I have absolutely no idea how to use. So yeah, it's a pretty decent box. So I got the other one today. I just got off work. I spent all day cleaning yesterday and filming that video. I've got clothes folded everywhere. Because, you know, regardless if I'm a career woman or a stay-at-home mom, laundry is always the one that's neglected. So, we got her. Let's see here. We got Trace Loose Beauty. More brushes. Oh, that is pretty. Those are gorgeous. Oh, look at that. So this one was a 4-piece brush set. There's something else by the same Same company in here. So we got this Tray Loose. That's glue. So lashes. Ah. MR pretty. MR not. Yes, MR. Look at them. Oh, MR pretty. Sorry. Boring, but still pretty. Hustle. Unica, Bella, Grateful, Alma, Divina. We got Pinky Rose Cosmetics, Bum Your Base, Jazz Hip Hop. Oh, those are pretty. What are these? The names are hip hop and jazz, by the way. Multi-use makeup stick. Apply on eyelid, bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lip. Apply as pop of color. Apply as primer base. Add your favorite eyeshadow on top of base. Okay, so multi-use. We love a multi-use queen. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops Namaste. I don't know how you say that. Veil. And then we got Julep Makeup Remover wipes. All right. So, the Glow Recipe was $34. The Tray Loose Beauty I'm All Set with the lashes and the eyeshadow was $25. The 4-piece brush set was $27. The multi-use makeup sticks were $20, and the makeup wipes were also $20. This is the regular Boxy charm because I get the deluxe and the premium, so this one would be the plain on a month that I don't get the deluxe. Not bad. I'm pretty happy. This one was pretty good. I got makeup brushes, and I love me some makeup brushes for one, but two, like the color, that cobalt blue. Oh my goodness. Why don't we swatch some of this just to see? We'll go into Grateful, Hustle, Unica, Alma. And then we'll go into Bella and Divina, I guess. I don't know. And then we can swatch. This one's Hip Hop. That would not look good on my lips. I'm the corpse bride. This one probably would though. Oh, this one's sparkly. Okay. And this one's jazz. Jazz hands. Let me know in the comments down below what you would have liked to gotten in your box, what you would have traded out for out of my box, or what you didn't get in your box that you wish you would have gotten, or if you don't get it, what you would have used, or you're happy that you don't get the box because you don't like this product or whatever. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.